Morning, guys. It is Monday, April 27th, and I just wanted to give you a quick video explaining what's going on this week. It's a pretty simple week. Today we're going to meet on Zoom at 1 o'clock. So I know a lot of you are working. I know a lot of you work at fast food restaurants and other places. So if you are unable to make this video conference, I understand. Just please let me know so we're not expecting you. I know I've already heard from a couple of you, but Mr. Prohaska is joining in on the meeting with us. He wants to talk about senior slideshow, and he wants to just get some feedback from seniors, and this is just a good opportunity to do that. So he's going to be joining us in that meeting. So please make sure and be awake and participate unless you are at work, okay? And if you are at work, let me know, okay? Um, Even if you're not in the Zoom conference today, you're going to work on these next two things. The first one is the senior slideshow, and I put a lot of information on Classroom about this. I will be explaining it today in the meeting. If you are not in our Zoom meeting, then I will try to give you a better explanation um, sometime after that. I'll post it on Classroom. So we're going to work on trying to get pictures of every senior if possible, try to get as many seniors included as we can, create our song list, and then we're going to talk about if we want to do videos and what that could look like in that senior slideshow. I want to make this senior slideshow a little bit more exciting and big than slideshows in the past because of your situation that you're in. The only other project we're going to work on this week is the Smile Project for Mount Pleasant. And essentially what this is Mount Pleasant residents are obviously in quarantine and missing people. I know some of you work there, so you probably know. So they've asked the school to create artwork and videos and stuff like that to send over to Mount Pleasant. So I have an idea that we're going to work on together. Every person's going to do a little piece of it. So I'm going to post that on Classroom probably tomorrow, and we'll have that done so I can send it to them by Friday. Okay, so that is a grade. It's not optional. We need to get grades in the grade book. That's going to be a grade for you. Okay, and then lastly, if you have not turned in your senior website, make sure that you get your senior website turned in. I haven't graded them. I will be grading them, and I will also send you the link so you can see all of the websites, including the students from Miss Norsworthy's room. So if you haven't done your senior website or that Flipgrid video, make sure you do that because I will be putting those in the gradebook this week. And you don't want to be failing this class. Okay, so I know a lot of you have not given me the link to your website. So make sure that gets done because you do not want to go out this way with a bad grade in here, okay? So hopefully I'll see you at 1. Again, if you are not going to be in our video conference, please let me know. Otherwise, have a good week. Stay tuned on Google Classroom so you know what's going on with the Smile project in the slideshow. Thanks.